Hi friends, and how are you doing today? Thanks for connecting for today's video. And I guess you definitely had your exam on the 26th of March, and that's why you are here. This video is about the result of 26th March IELTS exam. As you know that sometimes the IELTS exams results get delayed as the previous one, and the students were expecting the result by 1st or the 2nd, but they received their result on the 5th of April. And if I talk about the 26th of March exam, I do not see that there is any reason that the result would be delayed, and you can definitely expect your result by tomorrow. I wish you all the very best for your result, and I wish that all of you achieve your desired score. And the very first thing that I want you to do once you receive your result is that hit the comment section and share your result, especially the venue where you had your exam, so that other students get an idea that the results have started to come from that particular venue. It is quite unfortunate that sometimes students do not receive the results on time, but it is one of the procedures with the IDP that for quality check they detain the results of some students for a time period, and once they are super sure that the quality was intact during the exam, then they release. And for that you really need to get in touch with IDP only, because nobody else can help you and let you know about the time frame that when your result would be declared. Talking about the EOR, there are several videos on EOR on YouTube. I have sharing each and everything or every bit you need to know about EOR and how you can file. But here in CRISP, I can tell you that decision would be yours whether you want to apply or not, and which module you want to apply. You can apply for either one or all modules. Choice is completely your, and you have to pay one-time fee for any module you apply. And the thing is that we can certainly help you in your application only. And once again, the decision is yours whether to apply or not. You can certainly rely on us for the application, and we can do it anytime you wish. It is quite obvious for students to get disappointed, and it happens to many, but be super sure we can surely help you to improve your score. And you can contact us for regular classes at Your Bright Future Institute in Moga, or online classes no matter where you are in India or outside India. So this is pretty much all related to the result, and I hope you all will share your result in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, my dear friends. Bye bye for now.